5 places you absolutely must clean weekly with a microfiber towel. Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Eurow YouTube channel. If you love keeping your house spotless and clean all the time, then this video is for you. Today we're going to be talking about 5 places that you need to be cleaning weekly with a microfiber towel to keep your house shining and free from dust, germs, and grime. So grab your microfiber towel and let's get started. First up, we have your kitchen countertops. This area gets a lot of action throughout the week. Spills, crumbs, and remnants tend to build up. So that's why you need a microfiber towel to effectively clean this area without using any harsh chemicals. Here we have our silver antimicrobial towels that make sure you are not only giving your countertops the perfect clean, but also protection from germs. And trust me, they leave no streaks behind, just a nice, clean shine. Next up, we have the bathroom sink and vanity area. Between toothpaste splatters, soap residue, and water spots, this area can get dirty quickly. That's why you need a microfiber towel because it's gonna pick up that moisture and prevent dampness and buildup. We have our commercial cleaning towels that come in 4 different colors. You can color code them for use in sensitive areas like bathrooms to avoid cross-contamination. These towels are amazing for trapping moisture and dirt, leaving the surface sparkling and sanitized. Thirdly, you cannot forget about your electronic devices. From your TV screens to phones, tablets, and laptops, these can accumulate fingerprints, smudges, and residue. That's why you need a microfiber towel because its softness will not scratch your screens and it will take off that dust and grime, leaving your screens crystal clear. Enter our premium Suede microfiber towel. This one is designed specifically for screens and lenses and works its magic better than regular microfiber towels. Now let's talk about door handles and light switches. These are high-touch areas that often get overlooked, but they can collect germs and oils from our hands more than we realize. That's why a quick wipe down with a microfiber towel is going to stop the spread of germs and keep them fresh. Our grab-and-go micro wipes are perfect for keeping these surfaces spotless. They come in a tissue dispenser style box and are reusable. And last but not least, let's not forget about the kitchen stove area. It is prone to everyday use and there's a high chance of remnants and spills to build up. So that's why you should clean it at least once a week, if not every day or every other day. A microfiber towel is perfect for tackling this situation. A spray of soapy water and a quick wipe down with our commercial cleaning towels can do the trick. Or if you are dealing with tougher buildup, you can use our wash and scour sponge to scrub it and break it down before wiping it clean with a microfiber towel. Let your kitchen gleam. And there you have it, guys. 5 places that you need to be cleaning weekly with a microfiber towel. And remember, these towels are not only great for cleaning, but they're eco-friendly and sustainable because you don't have to use harsh chemicals and they are reusable, lasting you through hundreds of washes. And that's the end of this video. If you're interested in these products, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have the links to our Amazon storefront and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you wanna see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cleaning!